Hi everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose and this is Roxy Rose Guides. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a cheap cash envelope yourself. So let me tell you how this came about. I was looking online and I wanted to get this binder on Etsy. It's so cute, so luxe, and I really wanted it. But guess what? It was $40. So $40 is not in my budget. I don't want to spend no $40 on a binder and don't even got $40 to put in it. Right now, I'm really trying to save. I realize I've been spending and swiping over the summer. So I'm trying really hard to not spend a bunch of money on cash envelope-esque things, even though I know I'm doing my cash envelope and I'm watching other people, and I've bought cash envelopes before, especially off Etsy. I like to support small business and black business. Yes, I do. But it's expensive, y'all. It's expensive. So I went the other route and I decided to go ahead and just make my own cash envelopes. This is a cheap way for you to make cash envelopes. I got most of my supplies here from Amazon, and then I went to Dollar Tree to get some other things. So here are the materials that you will need to make your cash envelope. You're gonna need a binder. I got this binder on Amazon, and look how cute it is, y'all. It's a marble looking binder and it got little gold edges over here. All right, so I got this off Amazon. The link is in the description. And I got some little envelopes. All right, you can find whatever envelope that you want to, but I got envelopes straight from Amazon. I got a pack of 20. I think they were $5.99. Guess what? I got stickers right from the Dollar Tree. Okay, right from Dollar Tree, right from the dollar store. I got some stickers. So I returned something on Amazon and I got the money back. And guess what? This and this were free. Oh my gosh, they were free. I'm sitting here like, I don't want to spend $40. I don't want to spend all this money. Guess what? I had money on Amazon. So I had $25. This was $10. This was $5.99. So I only spent like $16, $17 on both of these items. And I still got some more money on Amazon. So whenever you can, you could definitely use the Fetch app underneath Shopkicks. Both of those apps are really helpful. You get a bunch of gift cards. I've done the Shopkicks for so long. I think I've gotten like 6 gift cards already. But yeah, so this was free and this was free and this was $1 each, y'all. So really, I just spent $3 on some cash envelopes people are charging $20, $30, $40, $80 for, okay? So now you got all your items. Let's go ahead and make our cash envelope. So I wrote a list of all of the new cash envelopes that I need, because this right here is about to be my debt sinking funds. This is my sinking funds for all of my debt and all the things I really need to save for. So I'm gonna put that in here. I didn't have to make a sinking funds envelope. It's not a cash envelope. Sinking funds envelope for debt, car loan, student loans, obligations, and investments. All right, so let's get started. Ooh, look at this. This looks nice, y'all. Look at this. It has 4 on the side and one big one here. Oh. All right, so here's a trick to help you when you're doing your cash envelope. Take your cash envelope, get a ruler or some kind of long pencil, and you're gonna basically go ahead and put the letters on the end, the tip of your ruler. So my first one is debt, so I'm gonna put my debt one here. I know I got a lot of room for debt, so I'm just gonna put it all the way at the end. So now I can see what the spacing is for my cash envelope before I even put down the letters. So this one looks really good, so I'm going to transfer it now. All right, so this is my cash envelope for my debt. I know there's better looking ones on other places, and if you can afford it, go ahead and get it. But me, I can't afford anything right now. I owe too much money. And I'll just take it and put it on inside of my, so when I open it, it's gonna look like this. Now I usually open my cash envelopes like this. I probably should have done it the other way, to where you open it like this. That's okay. However you open your cash envelopes, that's how you want to do it. Go ahead and do it. All right, I'm gonna do the rest now. So here's all of the new cash envelopes. Once you have all your envelopes, just take your cute little binder, put it inside, and now you got yourself a brand new cash envelope. And I can start saving to pay off my debt, and start saving for investments and whatever else I want to do. You can easily do this too. Listen, y'all, we gotta do stuff the cheap way. If we trying to save money, you can't spend all your money spending on a bunch of stuff. You gotta make stuff yourself. So that's what I did. I made stuff myself. Go ahead and go on Amazon. Like I said, I got the link in the description below. You can find a bunch of these stuff and get yourself some free Amazon gift cards from the apps that's below. And then you can go ahead and get this stuff for free like I did. Shoot, ain't nobody trying to pay for it. Ain't nobody trying to pay when you don't need to pay, okay? God bless.